Hello friends. According to eMarketer, online retail sales will reach $6.17 trillion by 2023, with e-commerce websites taking up 22.3% of total retail sales. Although retail had a tough year in 2020, every national market covered by eMarketer saw double-digit e-commerce growth. Headless e-commerce platform enables you to deploy rapid updates without impacting your back-end system, and you can easily make any changes to your front-end to coincide with the speed of consumer technology. Introducing our Webnexs Headless Ecommerce. Webnexs Headless Ecommerce is the multi-vendor e-commerce platform that comes into existence with the concept of headless e-commerce, which allows endless customization and provides its own experience for both users and admins. Go unlimited with Webnexs Headless Ecommerce. Webnexs Headless Ecommerce will help you to increase sales and revenue. Link in descriptions. To sign up the link, our Webnexs experts will contact you and provide the best support and services to all customers.